Welcome to Gabala. I'm at the heart of Azerbaijan's mountain retreat. I'm almost 2,000 meters above sea level at the Tufandag Mountain Resort. It's a place where tranquility meets adventure.
Just a few hours from Baku, Gabala is a world apart, a mountain region where culture, nature and adventure blend seamlessly. From winter slopes to summer hikes, this place is alive with energy and calm all at once.
There is something for everyone in each season here. And Tufandag holds a special blend, harmony of the mountains and adrenaline-filled outdoor activities.
It's easy to see why people come here. The views are incredible and the air just feels different. But the action also takes place not just here in the mountains, but in Gabala's valleys and villages too. Whether you're flying through the air, coming down the mountain on skis, or using your legs, or even four wheels, how you get around here is part of the fun.
It's time to leave the peaks behind and head deeper into Gabala's valleys.
After a rather bracing walk up here, you are rewarded with the most stunning views.
Around 30 kilometres away is Nij village. It's home to the Udi people, one of the world's oldest Christian communities. They've preserved not only their traditions, but a language spoken by only a few thousand today.
This is one of the most interesting and historical ancient church here. It was built in 1823. Udi tribe is the only tribe that lived in this land, still saving their religion, their old tradition, and all the ancient values. And this church is the center of their tradition. This is the heart of their culture. This is the heart of their history.
Welcome to Udi Hearth. This is a living and breathing museum run by the community to keep their culture, history and heritage alive.
Onların xeyir, şər, mərasimlərin adət-ənənələri var, süfrə mədəniyyəti var, onların şirniyyatları, onların kulinariyası var ki, hansı ki özünə məxsus yemək növləri var. Onlarla nümayiş etdirirlər.
And one thing about food is it transcends language and culture. So I'm having my first lesson today. We're going to make some kitab.
Bir tane yoxanı açırıq, birinci. Pişkandı, soğandı, kişnişdi, duzdu. İndi turşu əlavə edirik yoxaya. Göygü ətini, qozu da əvəz edirik burada. Sonra bişirməyə aparırıq. Hələ bişməyibdir.
It's so yummy. Really delicious.
Next, we're transported to the dramatic landscape of the Savalan Valley at the foothills of the Caucasus Mountains. Surrounded by rivers on both sides, this valley has a unique landscape and nature that make it ideal for winemaking.
Torpağın minerallarla zənginliyi, münbütlüyü, gil, qum və əhəng qarışığından ibarət bir harmoniya təşkil eləməsi güclü və yüksək keyfiyyətli üzüm əldə etməyə imkan verir. Şərabın dadına, onun xüsusiyyətlərini təsir edən bu xarakteristik amillər əsasən torpaq, iqlim, ən vacibi isə bizim torpağa olan, işə olan sevgimiz və hər giləsində üzümün insan əməyinin duya bilməkdir.
Bizdə hal-hazırda 24 şərabımız var, fərqli-fərqli növlərdən. Qırmızı olsun, ağ olsun, turş, kəmturş, kəmşirin. Hal-hazırda bir nümayəndə bizdə ağ, kəmturş, muskat üzümündən hazırlanmış şərabımızdır.
Savalan Winery combines a perfect climate and fertile soil to produce wines that tell the story of Gabala, a region where the land, the people and their food form a unique connection.
From moments that make your heart race to places that invite reflection, Gabala is a place of contrasts. It's steeped in culture, rich in heritage, and it stays with you long after you leave.